Well, hello and welcome to the third video in this video course. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a cat that's goal is to escape this maze. So as you can see, it follows the mouse and the goal is not to hit the black bars. Yeah, if it hits it, then the game is over and you can restart it. And it also make a noise effect. I'm not sure if you can hear it, the meow ones. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you with details as I did before, so I'm just going to show you the principle of how this works, because I think you have the basic knowledge to understand this. So you go here to this picture icon and click on the paint. So now we paint the background. This here is the maze. So now your task is to create a maze, a puzzle for the cat to go through. So what you gotta do, you gotta click on the fill and just go brightness, put brightness to 0. Now when you have that, you can basically paint it, but I would not recommend that since it's very boring and unpractical. So what you want to do, click on this here circle, make it a little bit bigger, for example, like 20. And now you just have to make like a lot of these squares. So you have a maze. This here represents one wall. Then let's make another one. Yeah, what is this? Come on, man. Then you make another one, for example, like this, and then you just continue until you have the maze done. I'm not going to bore you with mine, so yeah, good luck. So now we want to have something that cat is supposed to reach. It's either the exit of this maze or something else. So what we are going to do is we are going to try to find something interesting. So we go here to choose a sprite, and let's write something like treasure, nothing, okay, gold, diamond, let's see what else is valuable, coin, let's see, perfect, crystal. So the cat has to find a crystal. I drew in my version of this game a treasure box. So if you wanna do that, it works the same as the background. So you go here to the character, click paint, and you can draw something. For example, a diamond by yourself. Although I'm not the best in drawing, so I just selected this pre-made object. You can also modify it by clicking on it and going here to costumes. There are different phases. I'm going to delete this one since I don't need it. You can paint it in different colors. You can, yeah, now it's a little bit black. You can put it in, for example, purple or something like that. It's going to be good in this form. You can, I mean, you have to position it over here so the game works. And let's size it up a little bit. 300, yeah, 300. And let's make the cat smaller. So click on the cat, 50, let's say 35. Perfect. Now put the cat over here. Here is his direction on X and Y axis. And now let's do the code. I'll explain everything to you. Okay, so the game is basically ready. Now, what this code does? This here is the code for the cat. So, firstly, what it does, it teleports you to the starting position over here. Then it waits 0.3 seconds, so it's not too early, so you can prepare your mouse. And then the cat starts. What it does, again, it follows the mouse by pointing towards it and moving 2 steps each time this function is executed. And I mean loop. And this here is a new thing. This here is a variable. What do? You go here to variables, you click make a variable, and you name it something. So variable is a place where you can store your data. For example, now the data is number 1. So when destination reached is equal to 1, then it ends the game. Or there's also if it's touching a color black, then it also ends the game. Now difference is when it hits the end. Firstly, what it does, it sets this variable to 0, so the cat can stop moving in this script here, and it says hooray, so you know you won and you didn't lose. So for example, now let's do this. Now we go to the diamond and hooray. This here, hooray, is basically the information that we, or the feedback that we want, that we didn't just crash. Now when we crash, you can see it doesn't say hooray, it basically just collides. So you can put a meow, for example. Now we can do that as well. So if it's touching color black, then sound, yeah, play meow until it's done. So now it meows when you hit the black part of the maze. And that's the game. Thank you for watching the third video, and see you in the next one.